Transform your static HTML site into a powerful, dynamic WordPress masterpiece with this straightforward conversion guide. First, let's get your existing HTML website ready. This means organizing your HTML files, CSS, JavaScript, and any images into a clear structure. Think of it as packing for a move. You want everything neatly categorized before you start unpacking into your new WordPress home. The core of this conversion involves creating a custom WordPress theme. We'll break down your HTML into reusable WordPress template files. This includes header for your site's top section, footer for the bottom, index or a variation for your main content, and likely sidebar if your site has one. Your CSS styles are crucial for maintaining your website's look and feel. We'll carefully integrate your existing CSS files into your new WordPress theme, ensuring that every element, from fonts to button colors, translates perfectly. This is where your site will really start to feel like itself again. Once your theme structure is in place and styled, it's time to move on to content. You'll then manually recreate or import your website's content, text, images, and videos into WordPress posts and pages. This gives you the immense power of WordPress's content management system. Leveraging WordPress plugins can further enhance your site's functionality. Consider plugins for contact forms, SEO optimization, or image galleries to amplify your website's capabilities without touching a single line of code, making your converted site more robust than ever. And there you have it, your HTML website, now fully integrated into WordPress, ready for effortless content management and limitless growth.